health and wellness industry is now worth $60 billion today and growing daily. So if you're still not invested in these evergreen niches, you're missing out big time. But first, let me tell you what most people are looking for. A quick survey shows that most people are looking for 1, weight loss, 2, lose belly fat, 3, fat loss diet. Each with millions of monthly searches online. Combine those 3 and you get the holy grail of good health and weight loss. The ketogenic diet, which is a major health and wellness trend today. The ketogenic diet is everywhere and anywhere right now. It's been the secret to unleashing the powerful body for Tomb Raider, the key to leaning down before walking down the Victoria's Secret runway, and the secret weapon to winning the NBA championship. Big names such as Halle Berry, Vanessa Hudgens, LeBron James, Adriana Lima, Megan Fox, and Kim Kardashian are among the many who swear by the keto diet for dropping pounds, controlling appetite, enhancing skin and physical endurance, treating metabolic diseases, and even curing cancer. Needless to say, ketogenic diet is an in-demand lifestyle trend in the health community, and people are desperate to get their hands on this information. As more people are jumping into this diet trend, they are constantly looking for more information about it. The core health benefits, delicious keto-friendly recipes, the how-tos, diet hacks, and more. Keeping this billion-dollar opportunity in mind, what if you can effortlessly cash in this lucrative niche without having to be a keto expert or work your butt off to build your health and wellness empire from scratch? What if you get to claim high quality content from the keto gurus themselves as your own, and it won't even cost an arm and a leg? Would you be interested? Hi, this is Sean here, and on behalf of me and my partner Callie, we would like to introduce you to our latest health PLR, and this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission, and that's to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10x your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now, not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the $60 billion opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So, what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to the whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality content in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure to make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive, high-quality content so you can dominate the health niche with ease? And what if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, providing you a working business model so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you, so all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits. Introducing the Keto Diet 101 with full unrestricted PLR rights. This is the real solution that your customers are looking for to turn their body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine, get healthier, and become a disease-proof superhuman. This transformational guide contains everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet, how to get started with the keto lifestyle, the science behind the keto diet, the hidden health benefits of keto diet, how to get into ketogenic mode without starving yourself, how keto diet can prevent diseases and destroy cancer cells, 18 delicious keto-friendly recipes, and much more. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to health guide to melting off stubborn belly fat while reaping all the shocking health benefits. One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for, all with full, unrestricted, private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, you can edit the content, rebrand, be the author, put your name as the author, giveaway, you can give away to your list. Membership site, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I have worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package. That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault, and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive special report, top ketogenic foods and recipes for fat loss, alongside with done for you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you a tremendous amount of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation. Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you can have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now, for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you could see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you, though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So, for a very limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional content, fully integrated with high converting sales funnel ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We are so convinced that this is the best investment you can ever make that we're going to take all the risk away from you at this very moment. Really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below. Let Ketogenic Diet 101 PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.